There was a boy living in a small village. His name was Rohan. Rohan had everything in life, just no money. An old school bag, 2 worn-out books, and a big dream. "Will become an engineer. I will bring glory to my parents." Rohan used to say this to himself every day. But the reality of poverty was different. In the morning before going to school, he used to work on the tea stall so that he could earn some money. After seeing his friend's new shoes, he would polish his old shoes with great force. But the smile on his face never diminished. One day there was a competition in school, science project. All the children made new tools and flash charts, and Rohan. He took old boxes, wires, and a small bulb from his house and made a solar light model, which could be lit without electricity. The judges asked, "Son, how did you make this?" Rohan said with a slight smile, "Sir, there is electricity in the village. I thought I should make something that reduces darkness." The judges gave the first prize to that project and a scholarship along with it. That day became the turning point of Rohan's life. He went to the city with a scholarship. He used to study in an engineering college during the day and work as a waiter in a restaurant at night. Sometimes his stomach would go to sleep empty, but his mind would always be full of dreams. After years of hard work, he designed a software that managed the accounts of small businesses. Initially, no one was ready to buy it, but Rohan did not lose courage. He let the people of the village use it for free, and slowly his software went viral. Today, Rohan has his own company, thousands of employees, and every year he gives free education to the poor children of his village. In an interview, when a reporter asked Rohan, "How did you become so rich?" he just smiled and said, "I did not become rich only with money. I became rich with dreams." Friends, poverty is just a condition in life, but dreams and hard work can change your story.